Unlocking the power of parentheses. Adding supplementary information. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we'll delve into the wonderful world of parentheses. We'll specifically focus on how parentheses can be used to add supplementary information to your sentences, enriching your communication and making your writing more engaging and informative. So, let's get started. Parentheses, also known as round brackets, are punctuation marks used in English language. They come in pairs and look like this. These marks have a specific role in sentence construction. They help us include additional, often non-essential, information within a sentence. This additional detail is supplementary, meaning that the sentence would still be grammatically correct and comprehensible without it. But it can add a lot of depth to what you're saying. Now that we understand what parentheses are, let's focus on how to use them. The most common usage is to insert an explanatory or qualifying phrase in your sentence. This might be additional information, clarification, or even a brief comment. For example, consider the sentence, "I'm going to visit Paris, the capital of France, next month." Here, the phrase, "the capital of France," is the supplementary information. It provides extra knowledge about Paris, but isn't crucial for understanding the main point, which is the speaker's upcoming visit to Paris. When you're inserting supplementary information, it's crucial to choose the right punctuation. Parentheses, commas, and dashes can all be used, but they create different effects. Parentheses suggest that the information is less directly related to the rest of the sentence, or more of an aside. They're a gentle way to include bonus details without disrupting the flow of your sentence too much. On the other hand, commas and dashes create a closer connection with the main sentence, with dashes often adding a dramatic or emphatic effect. Understanding these subtle differences can greatly enhance your writing skills. And that wraps up our session on using parentheses to add supplementary information. We hope you found this video enlightening. Remember, parentheses can be a powerful tool to enrich your sentences, provide additional insights, and make your writing more engaging. Keep practicing, and you'll become a master in no time. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.